Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Trends Today, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari. Buckle up, because this is going to be one exhilarating ride. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It's sleek, it's aggressive, and it's unmistakably Ferrari. The aerodynamic body is not just for show. Every curve and vent is designed to maximize performance. The carbon fiber construction keeps the weight down while maintaining incredible strength. And those scissor doors, pure Italian flair. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's both luxurious and driver-focused. The seats are custom-fitted, offering unparalleled support and comfort. The steering wheel is packed with controls, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. And the digital dashboard? It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, providing all the information you need in a sleek, futuristic display. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the powertrain. The 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari is a hybrid hypercar, combining a 6.5-liter V12 engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 950 horsepower. That's right, 950 horses. The electric motor provides instant torque, while the V12 delivers the signature Ferrari roar. The result: a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The LaFerrari's hybrid system also includes regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while you drive. This means you get the best of both worlds: incredible performance and improved efficiency. And let's not forget about the handling. The 2025 LaFerrari features advanced aerodynamics, active suspension, and torque vectoring to keep you glued to the road. Whether you're on a tight corner or a long straight, this car handles like a dream. So, what's the price tag for all of this performance and luxury? Well, if you have to ask, you probably can't afford it. The 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari starts at around $2.5 million, but for that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of automotive history. That's it for today's episode of Auto Trends Today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And as always, let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine. Until next time, keep chasing those auto trends.